Hello class, welcome back. In this video we're going to modify the eggs program to create a new one named eggs interactive that prompts the user for and accepts the number of eggs for each chicken. Okay, so here's our eggs program. We're going to change it to eggs interactive. Also, you probably need to change the name of the program up here, but we're not going to do that. So we have eggs interactive, and we're going to, instead of assigning the values, we're going to ask the user. So let's do this right here. Let's get rid of the assignments where our variables are at. And down here at the bottom, let's prompt our user with a write line statement. In this write line, we're going to say enter the eggs laid by chicken 1. And whatever the user types in, that's going to go under chick1. So chick1 is going to equal convert dot to int 32, whatever's in the read line. And if you're wondering what happens if you type in like a letter instead of a number, it is going to break the program, and I'll do that here just to show you something. There are ways to handle those events, those errors that happen, those exceptions, and we're not going to get into those yet. I'm just going to show you and let you know that yes, there is a way that if the user types in something that shouldn't be there, it's going to notice that and keep going with the program and prompt the user to do it again and enter the right number. You can do that later. We're not going to go over it this chapter just in case you're wondering, but I thought I'd take a moment and explain that yes, there are methods to negate that. All right, so we're going to take this prompt and answer that we just did. We're going to copy it and paste it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And in this second instance, we're going to change everything from chick1 to chick2. So all the number 1s are changed to number 2. And in the third instance, we're going to change the number 1 to number 3. And in the fourth instance, we're changing number 1 to number 4. And that's all we're doing. So instead of hard coding the value in, we're letting the user pick. So let's go ahead and try that. Enter the eggs laid by chicken 1. Let's do 10. See, it breaks the program because I did not type in a number. I'm going to stop it, run it one more time. 10, 10, 10, 5. Okay, works the same. Let me know if you have any questions, any issues, and we will see you in the next video. You guys have a great day.